When it comes to protecting your home and family, security is always a top priority. While many homeowners focus on alarms, cameras, and locks, one aspect of home security that should not be overlooked is the quality and design of your windows. Your windows are an entry point to your home, and poorly designed or outdated windows can leave you vulnerable to break-ins and intrusions. Windows Austin offers a wide range of solutions designed to enhance your home's security, giving you peace of mind while improving the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your property. Here's how choosing Windows Austin can increase your home's security and protect what matters most. Impact-resistant glass for enhanced protection. One of the most effective ways Windows Austin increases home security is through impact-resistant glass. In high-risk areas or for homes located in neighborhoods with elevated crime rates, impact-resistant windows act as a powerful deterrent against forced entry. These windows are designed to withstand significant impact and are nearly impossible for burglars to break, unlike traditional single-pane windows that can be easily shattered with minimal effort. Impact-resistant glass is not only beneficial in preventing break-ins but also helps protect your home from weather-related damage, such as from hailstorms or high winds. Whether you're concerned about a break-in or severe weather, these windows provide an added layer of protection to ensure your home stays secure and intact. Reinforced window frames and locking systems. Windows that are improperly installed or lack high-quality locking mechanisms are an easy target for intruders. With Windows Austin, you get windows that come equipped with reinforced frames and advanced locking systems designed to make it more difficult for intruders to gain access. Multi-point locking systems, for example, secure the window at multiple points, ensuring that the window is fully locked and less prone to forced entry. Whether you opt for sliding windows, casement windows, or double-hung windows, Windows Austin provides various models with locking systems that are more secure than traditional locks. This makes it far more difficult for criminals to break in, offering you greater peace of mind. Strong and durable window materials. The materials used in your windows play a significant role in your home's security. Windows Austin offers windows made from durable materials such as fiberglass, vinyl, and composite, which are resistant to wear and tear, making them less vulnerable to break-ins. These materials are far stronger and more resilient than the old wooden windows that often decay or weaken over time. With these durable materials, your windows are less likely to warp, crack, or become compromised by external forces. Additionally, modern energy-efficient windows are built to withstand the elements, providing an extra layer of protection against both burglars and weather-related risks. Window film and laminated glass for extra security. For homes looking for added security, laminated glass and security window films are excellent options. Windows Austin offers the option of upgrading your windows with these specialized treatments. Laminated glass is made by bonding a plastic layer between two panes of glass, making it more difficult for the glass to break or shatter. Even if an intruder attempts to break the glass, laminated windows will hold together, significantly delaying or preventing a break-in. Security window film is another option offered by Windows Austin to improve window security. This thin, nearly invisible film is applied to your existing windows to make them stronger and more resistant to breakage. In the event of a break-in attempt, the film holds the glass together, preventing shards from falling and making it harder for intruders to gain access quickly. Increased visibility for surveillance and monitoring. Proper window installation by Windows Austin can also enhance your ability to monitor your property and increase visibility, which plays a crucial role in home security. Many burglars prefer to break into homes that are poorly lit or have obstructed views from the outside. By replacing old, damaged, or fogged-up windows with new, clear windows, you can improve your ability to spot suspicious activity around your property. Additionally, larger windows and glass doors can be designed to give you a clear view of your yard or street, making it easier to keep an eye on your surroundings. Whether it's through the use of large picture windows or clear glass inserts, enhancing your home's visibility allows you to stay aware of what's happening outside, further discouraging potential intruders. Better insulation and noise reduction. Windows Austin offers not only security features but also noise reduction benefits that can indirectly improve security. Double pane or triple pane windows offer superior soundproofing, which can reduce outside noise and give you more privacy. By blocking out sounds from traffic, neighbors, or the street, you create a quieter and more secluded environment. This reduced visibility and noise also make it less likely that intruders will target your home, as they won't be able to rely on sound to determine if someone is home. Improved insulation from high-quality windows also ensures that your home remains comfortable and secure against extreme temperatures. When your home is well insulated, you're less likely to leave doors or windows open to manage the temperature, reducing the risk of intruders gaining easy access. Deterrence and increased home value. Windows are a key part of your home's exterior, and high-quality, professionally installed windows can act as a visual deterrent to burglars. When your windows are strong, durable, and equipped with advanced security features, they signal to potential intruders that your home is protected. Burglars tend to target homes with easy access points, and investing in secure, high-quality windows from Windows Austin makes your home less appealing to criminals. Additionally, replacing your windows with more secure, modern models can increase your home's value. Homebuyers are more likely to be attracted to homes with advanced security features, including windows that provide greater protection and peace of mind. If you plan to sell your home in the future, investing in quality windows now will benefit you in the long run. Final thoughts. When it comes to securing your home in Austin, window installation should not be overlooked. Windows Austin offers high-quality, secure, and energy-efficient windows that improve your home's security, comfort, and aesthetic appeal. From impact-resistant glass and advanced locking systems to better insulation and noise reduction, these windows provide a comprehensive security solution that protects your home from intruders and the elements. With professional installation and high-performance features, Windows Austin ensures that your home remains safe and secure for years to come.